In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and add a clickable link on eBay that actually works in 2025. This can be a game changer for your online sales, allowing you to guide potential buyers directly to your website or another relevant page. Let's get started and walk you through each step. First, you'll want to log into your eBay account. Make sure you're entering your details correctly to avoid any login issues. Just take your time. Once you're in, navigate to My eBay and then to Selling. This is where you'll find all your seller tools and options. From here, click on the Listings tab. You have the option to either create a new listing or edit an existing one, depending on where you want to add the clickable link. As you're setting up or editing your listing, focus your attention on the description box. This is where you'll be doing the bulk of your work today. Often you'll find at the top right of this description area an option labeled something like Show HTML Code. Click on it to reveal the HTML editor. This might seem a bit technical if you're not used to working with code, but don't worry, it's straightforward once you get used to it. Now in this HTML editor, you will need to paste a specific line of code. It should look like this. Click here to visit our website. You'll be customizing this code to suit your link. Begin by replacing your website URL with the actual URL you want to direct your customers to. Be precise here, double check the link to ensure it's accurate because you don't want your customers landing on the wrong page or hitting a dead link. Next, think about the text that will be displayed as the clickable link within your listing. You'll switch out click here to visit our website with whatever you'd like the link to say. Make sure this text is engaging and clear to attract clicks. When you've made these adjustments, you can switch back to the standard view within the eBay editor. This step lets you preview how the link is presented to potential buyers. If everything looks good, meaning the link appears correctly and looks appealing, go ahead and save your changes. It's important to verify that the clickable link functions correctly in the live mode, so it's worth taking one last moment to double check. And there you have it. You've successfully added a clickable link to your eBay listing. This simple addition can greatly enhance the shopping experience for your buyers, potentially increasing traffic to your desired page. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more eBay selling tips.